Hello there, welcome to the channel. Hope you're keeping safe and well. In this video we're going to be talking about Logic's bounce in place. Let's dive over into Logic and have a look. Okay, first let's check out these two acoustic guitar parts. Okay, so I'm quite happy with the takes. I've done some comping just to pick the best parts of the takes that I've taken, and now I want to bounce these in place. I just find that if I want to do some further editing, maybe adding fades in and out, or maybe adding automation, I just like to have a clean file to work with. So here we go. So highlight a track and we can click Control B. And we get some options. So some of the things that I like to do, my destination is always going to be new track. I'm going to bypass all the effects. I've got an SSL channel on this. I don't want that effect in the bounced file. I can rename the track, which I'm going to do now. Just a couple of things. Make sure that normalization is off. You don't want normalization on. Have a quick check. Make sure you've got all the options that you want, and let's just bounce this in place. So software instruments with MIDI files can be very process heavy. Some of these plugins can be very process heavy. So that's an option where I may bounce a file in place, but actually not bypass the effect, just to save on processing power. Okay, so I'm happy with all these options. Let's bounce this file in place. Okay, now just a bit of housekeeping in my arrange page. So these two files, they're not going to be needed anymore. I tend to drag them right up to the top. I can hide these files so you won't see them. You can see that there's a couple of bass parts that I've hidden. Click, I'll mute these. Click the main hide. There they go, they're gone. So you can hide those files. I may also create a track stack. I don't tend to delete anything, to be honest, as you never know if the old file is going to be needed again. But anyway, I like to do a bit of housekeeping so everything is hidden and out the way and uncluttered. Okay, so there you have it. I am uploading content all the time now. Love to hear your comments, especially if you're liking these quick tip tutorials. If you have any ideas for further content, again, please don't forget to add a comment below. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. Bye bye for now.